This morning, 16-year-old Brooke Kazir from Oak Ridge High School has been given the Promising Young Writers Award after she wrote a poem about the 2016 Gatlinburg wildfires. The poem, titled "I Am Fire," was written in the perspective of the fires that took 14 lives, injured hundreds, and destroyed countless homes. Chase Biefeld brings us Brooke's poem in her own voice.
I am fire. I'm summoned by the will of children. Their physique is of a man, but children nonetheless. Oh, how the spark of life is so addictive. By the strike of a match, I've been born. Now I grow. On this day of stillness, a sudden wind comes from an unknown place, as if to greet my arrival. It is strong, but welcoming. I slowly creep across the earth, staining the world in ash. The dry leaves dissolve at my touch, and the wind gets stronger to show approval. The swaying trees cackle tauntingly. How dare they mock me? I put the insult to rest. I must continue on my path of expansion. As I crawl, I feel my strength increase and my capabilities broaden. My heat radiates onto the surrounding wildlife, causing them to scurry away in fear. Can you feel my wrath? Climbing up trees come easily to me as the branches that once mocked me burn to charcoal. I grow, but I still want more. Trailing the mountain range, I peek over the horizon, a sunrise in the middle of the day, promising devastation. As I look down, the people still underestimate my capabilities, as the trees once did. I can bring a grown man to his knees, have him cry out to his God. I am destruction. I am all powerful. I am fire.
Beautiful poem. Brooke dedicates "I Am Fire" to the dozens of lives lost in the 2016 wildfires. Well, the pictures we're seeing this morning